RNA Polymerase. Binding TATA is its first phase. It binds to the DNA, it unzips and separates, assembles nucleotides. Pre-mRNA transcribed. RNA is a template, signals say to terminate. The 5' cap and poly A tail attach. The introns are spliced out, leaving the exons. Protein synthesis, yeah, we're making proteins. It all starts inside your genes. Your cell's a well-working machine. Protein synthesis. There are 3 types of RNA, M, T, and RNA. Wow, that's really hard to say. Protein synthesis. Transcriptions in the nucleus. Translation is a must. It's outside the nucleus. Protein synthesis. It's essential, don't you know? It all follows the same flow of protein synthesis. Do it all again. Protein synthesis. Do it all again. mRNA is now made, but now where does it locate? It goes to the ribosome. From here the translation is shown. Ribosome reads the bases. Codons act as databases. The methionine is discovered. tRNA is uncovered. Peptide chains are formed, and then they are transformed. They fold as many as 4 times, then you've made protein enzymes. You know how your life was made. This process happens each and every day. Protein synthesis. Yeah, we're making proteins. It all starts inside your genes. Your cell's a well-working machine. Protein synthesis. There's 3 types of RNA, MT and RNA. Wow, that's really hard to say. Protein synthesis. Transcriptions in the nucleus. Translation is a must. It's outside the nucleus. Protein synthesis. It's essential, don't you know? It all follows the same flow of protein synthesis. Do it all again. Protein synthesis. Do it all again. Protein synthesis. EXON, 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 EXON. Protein synthesis. Yeah, we're making proteins. It all starts inside your genes. Your cell's a well-working machine. Protein synthesis. Yeah, there's 3 types of RNA, M, T, and rRNA. Wow, that's really hard to say. Protein synthesis. Transcriptions in the nucleus. Translation is a must. It's outside the nucleus. Protein synthesis. It's essential, don't you know? It all follows the same flow of protein synthesis. Do it all again.